Looking at a valley that's been carved by a creek or a river, you'll probably see that it's roughly V-shaped. It's going to be really narrow at the bottom with sides that are fairly steep. This is a pretty characteristic typical river valley. Now, if we look at some other valleys, they can be in a lot of different places, perhaps in southern New Zealand, perhaps in southwestern British Columbia. They have a bit of a different shape. These valleys, they still may often have a river flowing through them, but sometimes not, and they are shaped very differently. They are much more wide bottom, but their sides are much steeper. They are in the shape of a U. This is generally a sign that this area has been glaciated. There have been glaciers upon this region. A river is a rather narrow thing that cuts down only in a small section of the valley towards the center of the valley. And this creates the V shape. A V is narrow at the bottom because it's just narrowly cutting down, and the erosion of the sides is just something else that goes along. A glacier is really wide, and a glacier is going to carve out a very wide depression in the ground because of the glacier's width, and it will remove many, many rocks from this region, which is why the glacier creates a U-shaped valley, and rivers or creeks create V-shaped valleys.